Good day everyone, I'm not a chef, but today I will show you 3 recipes that uses cucumber, starting with cucumber and yogurt. Grate 1 medium-sized cucumber while try to hold it in a non-phallic way. A very important step is to remove all the excess water from the grated cucumber, or else it will cause the yogurt to become watery or separate. Add 2 containers or 300 grams of yogurt to the cucumber. Dice 1 clove of garlic into small cubes. You don't have to be OC about it like me. Add the garlic to the yogurt. 1 tablespoon of tahini. Salt. Pepper, cumin, and then mix. This is the basic recipe, but if you want to add different taste profiles, you can add parsley or mint or dill. You can also add chili, olive oil, or sesame oil. Next recipe is always confused with cucumber kimchi, so let's call it fake cucumber kimchi. Cut 1 kilogram of cucumber into small wedges by cutting each cucumber into 8 pieces that are almost 10 centimeters long. Add a lot of salt to the cucumber, then add more and more and more. And mix it very well. Then leave it for 1 hour to draw out the moisture and make it super crunchy. Wash the cucumber thoroughly to get rid of all the excess salt, then dry it right away so it will not absorb the water again. Grate 1 carrot. Cut 1 medium onion into strips. Cut half from root to stem, while the other half from side to side. Add the onion strips to the carrots. Dice 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, depends on your liking. Add the garlic to the mix. Then add 1 tablespoon of gochujang or Korean chili paste. 5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Salt. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Half a teaspoon of chili flakes. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds. And then mix until it looks homogeneous. Add the cucumber to the mix and mix it until it's all covered. This dish is good as a side dish to rice, fish, or grilled chicken, or you can add it to subs or sandwiches. Put in a container, eat it after 8 hours and not more than 2 weeks. The last recipe of today is a summer refreshing cucumber sorbet. Start with cutting a medium-sized cucumber into very small cubes. The smaller you cut the cucumber, the less the water you need to add when you put it in the blender. Put the cucumber in the blender. Add 1 whole avocado and don't be deterred by the black parts, it's just oxidation, and stop the ugly fruit shaming. Squeeze 1 lime. Add few mint leaves. Add some water and blend. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar or honey, then blend again and put it in the ice cream machine for 30 minutes or until you reach this consistency.